Looks like it's ready to gap somebody, especially with no wing. I feel like this is the gap package right here. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, the Zia's bumper is off. For those of you guys that watched, I think it was like 2 videos ago, I took my car to the shop, and on the way to the shop, I hit a water bottle. That water bottle ended up knocking off my lip, and I drove like 40 minutes like that. And when I got to the shop, the lip was pretty much off. Somehow it stayed on, by the way, the whole drive. I don't know how, but it did. And long story short, it messed up my bumper in here. So I'm not sure if you guys can, oh, whoa. I guess we could just lay it down like that. So I'm not sure if you guys are able to tell, but this whole piece is missing, which means I cannot add a lip on it. Whereas this side, it has this little like lip area thing. So when the lip ripped off, it ripped off this whole piece with it. So it's off because I need to send it to get fixed. So that's what we're gonna be doing. This thing literally wiped it off completely. It's funny. But with that being said, since there's no bumper on the car, that means the Z is bumperless, which means the thing looks pretty mean. Check this out. Damn, straight race car vibes. And it's all black too. Looks scary. That looks like it's about to gap somebody for real. So yeah, the bumper is not on the car. Neither is the wing because it was gonna fly off when I was coming back from the shop. So I ended up taking off the bumper. Pretty much taking everything off, leaving it off. Because, for those of you guys that don't know this, I've been having a roll of wrap inside of my house for a couple of months now. And I haven't been able to wrap the car over some dumb stuff, bro. But we finally got the right guy to wrap it. I'm just waiting on him to give me the okay on when he could come and start wrapping it. But with that being said, the car is pretty much prepped to be wrapped. So the bumper's off, the wing is off, the lip is in the hatch still. Actually, I don't know where my keys are at. The lip is in there folded. I need to get another one of those because it's completely ripped. Yeah, pretty much the car is ready to get wrapped. Meanwhile, he starts wrapping this thing. I'm gonna send off my bumper to get fixed. It should be like a one-day, couple hour project, I'm assuming. I'm not a body guy, but I don't think that's something out of this world. Just adding whatever, like a little lip to this. Shouldn't be too hard. Shouldn't be nothing too crazy. So while he starts on the car, this will get fixed, get it back, so on and so forth. It's not red this time. It is not red. It's actually a pretty sick color that I don't think I've seen on Z. And I'm very excited to show you guys. But with that being said, it is currently like 8 p.m. I'm going to go to the gym, and at this time when I go to the gym, I never really take this car just because it's late. I don't like to leave the car parked outside the gym at this time, but it looks pretty mean without the bumper, so I'm gonna take it. And it'll serve as a little therapy session for me, and I could bring you guys a video along with it. So I'm gonna bring you guys on a little POV drive with me to the gym, the late night POV drive. Let's go ahead and go inside, get ready, and I'll come out when it's time to go to the gym. Got some little energy drinks. Now we're off to the gym. Cino's hella me without the bumper, bro. It looks clapped, but not clapped at the same time. Clapped, but mean. Looks like it's ready to gap somebody, especially with no wing. I feel like this is the gap package right here. So I've been texting with the new owner of the Q50. He sent me this picture yesterday. He swapped out the grill. Something that I should have done and I never did. And I added the lip. And now he just said first one to see with the rims. Damn, sick ass fool. Got some ESRs on there. Oh no, are those? I don't know how to pronounce that brand. Aldons. Sheesh. Looks good, man. Sheesh. Looks pretty clean. He says I'm the first one to see it, so you guys are the first one to see it too. Sick, bro. I'm glad, and I'm happy to know that that car's shooting him good. That's what's up. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little sketchy driving without the bumper. But full send. At least it looks mean though, I guess. That's one thing I like about this kit, is that the car could pretty much be an A if you wanted to. Like right there, like I didn't go into any type of boost. The car is literally an A. But if you want to fuck around and find out, boost is there. That kind of creeped me out a little bit. It's not those trucks, but CHP started using I think they're the I forgot, the Grand Cherokees. I don't know what they are. Oh no, they're the Rangos. They're like all blacked out. Like undercover ass fools, bro. Not gonna lie, bro, the racing scene is kind of cooked now. Not really, but kind of. You really gotta watch out for those fools now, because they'll cook your ass. Been there, done that, bro. I got super lucky. That's why I kind of chilled out. Yeah, guys, I don't really bring this car out too much late at night. There's a lot of scumbags out there, bro. I'm not saying, I know these cars are a little harder to steal than like 370s, but like I still like don't really like to bring it out, at least to the gym late at night like this. But it's also like a good ass stress reliever, so I said fuck it. But yeah, bro, there's hella scumbags out there right now stealing hella VQs, but it's mostly newer ones with the push to start. I've known a couple people that have gotten their stolen already. My homie David got his 370 stolen like a month or two ago outside of his house, bro. That shit sucks. But what can you do? I'll probably do a little pull for you guys right now, a little third gear or something. Nothing crazy. Should I do a little second gear? I won't do a brake boost or anything. The gym to get the freaking blood flowing. Damn. And you know what's super funny about this turbo kit, bro? So a lot of turbo kits, after like 1 or 2 pulls, it'll get hot, it'll heat soak, whatever. This car, the more pulls I do, the faster it gets. Pretty much the pipes get hot, the car makes more boost. It doesn't really make sense to me, but I mean it kind of does at the same time. I don't know. But yeah, it's funny, bro. Like the more pulls I do, the faster it gets. Well, to a certain extent, I'm sure if you do like 10 pulls, it's gonna die down. But yeah, like if you do like 3 pulls, the third one will be like really fucking good. See if I could do one more before getting to the gym, so you can see how it feels. Oh, the tires are sticky now. Short ass pulls, bro, but this thing is moving. Obviously, I would like to have done it farther, but these streets in Mexico are pretty short, and I don't like to fly past intersections like that, so yeah. Sorry if you thought I was gonna top my car out this video. I'm not. Yeah, we made it to the gym. Damn, these fucking sprinklers, bro. I love this car, bro, so much. Sheesh, a little Supra outside the gym, brand new. Next car, what? Motherfucker, bro. The sprinklers turned on, which means my car's gonna be wet. It's not wet. It is wet, but not as wet as I thought. God is good. Let's go. Because you guys know, the sprinklers absolutely destroy. Not destroy, but you get hella water marks. Damn, tank truck. Not bad, OG. Alright guys, we're officially done with the gym. Time to go home. I was gonna end the video when I pulled up here, but I'll continue it until I get home. Oops, I forgot. There you go. Yeah, you ain't stealing my car, champ. Yeah guys, I'm beat. Hit some back, cardio, abs. I'm tired. Yes, I have gas, but I think I'm kind of on the lower side, so I'm gonna stop and pump. And I think there's like a 24-hour Subway right there, so I'm gonna stop by, put gas, and get myself a little Subway. Got myself a little Subway. You guys like it? There's no bumper look. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little sketched out to drive home right now with no bumper. You guys know I live in California. California cops hate modified cars, so I'm literally risking it right now, but fuck it. Shit does look sick though, it looks mean as hell. We got a little party pooper in the chat. This shit is leaking E85 again, bro. Do not build a race car, guys. I'll probably still do like one pull, but like one pull only. Fuck, man. I'm gonna full sand it. I should be fine, but it's so annoying, dude. This is your sign to not build a race car. Oh, man. Don't build a race car, guys. I'm just kidding, do it. Fuck it. Yeah, I should be fine, but it's still like kind of nerve-wracking because it's fuel, you know what I mean? But damn, bro, I thought we fixed it. Is that a cop, bro? Bro, it is a cop. Oh no, it's not. It's patrol. I hate those motherfuckers, bro. You guys have no idea. Oh, that shit made my heart drop, because if it was a real cop, I mean, no bumper, easy pullover, you know what I mean? Yeah, I really need to get this thing situated, bro. I thought it was fixed already, I guess not. Look, it's not even a full tank either. Those of you guys watching at home, I want to build a race car. Just know, it ain't all fun and games, bro. It ain't all smiles. But it's part of the game. It's all good. I'll still do it all over again. Bro, this thing stopped recording, so I don't know when, but look. 2 C8s. You need that? I don't think you need that, sir. What about you, sir? I was gonna hop on the freeway, but I'll just take the streets home. Oh man, what a buzzkill. I really wanted to do a few pulls for you guys. And I mean, I still can. I should be alright. But it's still like, it's sketchy, bro. Like, I don't know, that's like, fires aren't a thing to fuck around with, you know what I mean? Dude, my GoPro is geeking. I'm talking to myself, it keeps turning off. Man. I was about to do a pull too, good thing I didn't do it, it would have been off for nothing. I was literally about to do the pull, bro. I don't know what told me not to do it. That was a cop. Wow. Damn. Something told me, don't do it, bro. Don't do it. And they're a little baby one just to get out of my system. Man, this was an all-around fail. The car's leaking fuel. My camera is geeking out, and now I lost my phone. I don't know where it went. That pool must have like sent it flying somewhere. Damn, bro. Yeah, I have no idea where it's